Hi everybody, we have a product named Faircrete SBL. Faircrete SBL is an acrylic emulsion cement modifier and concrete bonding agent. The benefits of Faircrete SBL are discussed as under. It has high strength gain and improves flexibility. It increases tensile strength and reduces shrinkage, also preventing bleeding. It has lower water cement ratio. It increases durability and toughness. It has high resistance to water penetration and is good abrasion resistance. It has good frost resistance and resistance to salt permeation. It has good resistance to many chemicals as well as mineral oils. It has excellent adhesion to steel and concrete. It sticks well to bricks, glass, asphalt, wood, expanded polystyrene and most building materials. It is of prolonged corrosion protection. Similar thermal expansion and modulus properties to concrete, unlike resin mortars and primers. Faircrete SBL is more user-friendly and non-toxic and can be used with potable water. The uses of Faircrete SBL are as under. Faircrete SBL is used for bonding concrete repair, floor screeds and toppings, renders and mortars, fixing brick slips and tiles, protection of steel from corrosion. It also used to give good bonding strength between steel and cement. Faircrete SBL is a highly specialized acrylic copolymeric compound designed for use with cement compositions. It is used in mortar and concrete as an admixture to increase resistance to ingress of moisture or water, wear resistance and durable material. It is used with cement as a reliable water resistant bonding agent. It can be used as a recommended primer for concrete repair systems. The application of Faircrete SBL is as under. Faircrete SBL is a ready-to-use bonding agent and is simply applied by brush on the surface. Faircrete SBL can be used with cement in the ratio of 1:2 and can be mixed in gauging water of cement mortar for making the surface waterproof. It also increases the bonding ability of mortar. Faircrete SBL can be supplied with a dosage of 200 ml per 50 kg bag of cement as regard to concrete repairs. It has a coverage of approximately 6 to 8 meter square per liter, depending on substrate for waterproofing. Faircrete SBL is supplied in 200 ml, 1 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter, 50 liter, and 100-liter containers. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.